All right, so you're here because you want to copy this Facebook ad strategy to fix your broken campaign, and you've chosen an SEO guy to listen to. A guy with a background in organic marketing. How ironic. All right, I guess here we are. Let's begin. First, let's look at the word strategy. Strategy and tactics are different. In this video, we're going to talk primarily about strategy. But before we do anything, I want to remind you about the customers you're dealing with. Side note, I'm going to remind you often because in life, you need to be reminded more than you need to be taught. So get your head out of your ass and listen to these reminders. All right, cool. Facebook users are mindlessly scrolling on while they're in the elevator or at work or on the couch. That's their mood. They're just chilling. In SEO, we think about what a user is thinking and doing when they're searching. We need to apply that same framework here when we talk about Facebook ads. So if you want to fix a broken campaign, ask yourself, is it broken? Or have you just not done enough to capture their attention yet? So instead of fixing, ask, what haven't we done yet? Usually what you haven't done is build an ecosystem. That's what you haven't done yet. We're probably just running one buy now campaign and wondering why it's failing, just trying to get people to buy shit all the time. To fix this, we want to stop gambling on one ad or one strategy or one thing, and we want to build 3 pillars. This is the exact setup I use for my clients doing anywhere between 3 to 8 million per year. So brand awareness, the introduction you could say. You want to run ads 24/7 just to be seen. You want to introduce your brand before they even need you. You want it to be front of mind. There's a reason why Coca-Cola, and Pepsi, and Starbucks, these brands, they advertise forever, nonstop, 24/7. Right? Want to be top of mind. Reminders, remember. Number 2, lead generation, the conversion point, where they convert. This is at the point when you actually ask for the lead. It works because you've already introduced yourself during the introduction, the brand awareness part. Number 3, retargeting, follow-up. This campaign, this part is for the people who've already clicked on your ad but got distracted. It's like an automated follow-up to catch them when they're finally in the right mood, right? You know, now they're, remember the elevator before, chilling before, now maybe they see out again. Oh, maybe I think I do need a root for. Oh, here you are, that's convenient. You want to be there right when they're ready. Okay, look, now I know you're impatient, so let's look at the metrics. If you don't have leads yet, you have to look at what is working. So open your account, and you look at the click-through rate here. If people are clicking on a video like this little cool video that shows a before and after for a sighting project here, but they didn't convert yet, you have to ask yourself why. Were they in the right mood? What were they doing? They liked it, but they weren't in the buying mode at that exact second. So do you change the ad? Maybe. Or maybe you just need to keep that introduction in front of them when they are in the right mood, right? You can see here, just keep running the ads. When you have all these 3 pillars running, you stop chasing and you start becoming the default choice. You see, look at these results. This doesn't happen by fixing a button or fixing an ad. It happens by being there 24/7. So, to recap, mood and behavior. Know where the user is. Know what they're doing in that moment. Be aware of that. Be aware that they're just chilling on Facebook. They're just doing. You want to have the right ad for them when they're ready to buy. Stop saying the word's broken and start asking, what haven't we done yet? What's next? What do we need to keep doing? Lastly, the ecosystem. Run your introduction, run your conversion point, run your follow-up together. Anyways, this is the Facebook ad strategy that you can copy, and this is how I'd fix it as an SEO guy. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment, like, the usual stuff. And yeah, we'll keep putting more content like this. Thanks again.